What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vienna's Beauty, and today we're getting straight into the video. Yes, I said straight into the video. No time for long introductions, no time for if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Yes, I must say that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please just go ahead and subscribe, because you definitely like what you see. I don't think there's anybody here who likes to be ugly. So this channel is all about beauty, and if you're a man, please just subscribe too. Stop telling me that this channel is only for women. This channel is both for men and women, because you gotta have swag to find love. except except the person you're finding love is as swagless as you. No, God forbid. But okay, what I'm saying is that we need more people in the family. We need this YouTube channel to grow some more. So come on and join us, okay? So now getting into the video, I'm using the all-time favorite, the Zodiac palette. And this palette, as you already know, I have an affiliate link. Don't mind my daughter at the background, like she won't just let me be. Oh my God, being a mom can just someone help me. Okay, don't mind. Oh, hear what she think. We're doing this voice over together. So as I was saying, I have an affiliate link with the Qing Beauty. Any other you make, I am eligible for a percentage. So please order the Zodiac palette, even if you are not ordering, so that I can have something. Just use my link to order, because this palette has 99 colors, and if you are someone who loves makeup and getting very creative with colors, you want to order this palette. Okay, so I started with the orange, and now I'm going in with a purple. We're gonna be doing kind of like a story time today, and less of the makeup tutorial, because we've done this a good number of times, and I don't think it's necessary for me to be emphasizing on what I'm doing. But in any case, I'm still gonna emphasize, because what I'm doing now is just using the dark purple to place it at my outer V, and I'll be using this blending brush from BH Cosmetics to kind of slightly extend that purple into the orange color. Oh my God, oh my God, who sent me? Sparkle. I'm trying to do a voice over. Say hello. Say, if you haven't subscribed to my mother's channel, go ahead and hit on the red subscription button and join the family. Say it. She's shy. Now I'm trying to cut the crease, and I'm using this brush. I don't know where I got this brush from, but I'm so in love with it. I love doing my brows with this brush. Who are those who keep sending me messages? This voice over today, I just want it to be more natural. I don't want it to be like it's scripted. You know, the voice over is just coming like that. I'm just letting the video play while I talk. And guess what? This is the second time I'm doing this voice over. The first one, I narrated a story of how I had a car accident a few weeks back. See, I poured out my heart in that voice over, only for me to come and discover that thing was not recording. I say, okay, maybe it's God who didn't want you to hear the story of how I got a car accident. So what I'm doing is I'm placing the silver color in my on my lids, and I'm using the Qing Beauty as well. So I'm placing that color on my lid where I cut the crease, and now I'm gonna use this fine glitter. It's I don't know if it's loose shimmer or it's glitter, but it's written on it that it's glitter. I'm applying. I didn't use glitter glue, because I didn't want any creasing, and I didn't want my eyes to look heavier. So now I'm going back with that purple color to blend it out. So as I was saying, I did the first voiceover for 30. This video is 30 minutes. I did the first voiceover for 30 minutes. It was so much fun, guys. I was talking and laughing of how I had this car accident. I don't know where the gather came from. I'm in Ireland, for those who don't know, and we wanted to form closure things, full closure, no, full lace 360-degree lace thing. So last week I went and glued my hair. You guys saw the hair I did with the video I was talking about. Which video was that? I cannot remember the video, but everybody complimented the hair. Everybody was complimenting the hair, not knowing that I had lost my edges. That glue lifted my edges, the edges that I don't first of all have. People, what will I do? Please, if you know what I can do to rapidly grow my hairline, my edges, please tell me. Leave it on the comment section. I hope this particular one is recording, because I need the remedies to quickly just look at the size of my hair. I know most people tell me that it's not that bad, but I feel very uncomfortable. Like, I've done videos, I've taken my time to do videos. I do my hair myself. Either I do my hair or Comfort Zone does my hair for me. And I've done videos, more than 4 videos I've done, and I've deleted them because I didn't like how my hair looked. Even this ponytail I did with this natural hair, I think I did a tutorial on it, but I ended up deleting it because I was just like, everybody will be like, which type of hair is this? So if I know that I have people who can relate with my edges, I would resume doing hair tutorials. Even though I'm not a professional, I didn't learn hair making anywhere. I just do my daughter's hair, and I just play around with hair like that. I still have to come for classes too. A big shout out to Christiana and Crease. I'll leave her link in the description. You can go subscribe to her. She's a hair diva, you all. So I'm just blending out that smile for the highlighter, girls. I've been talking and talking. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit on the subscription button and join the family, because we need this family to grow. I already said it at the beginning. This is an unprepared makeup video because many people requested this video. And the love I have for my subscribers, I'll go extra mile for you guys. I'm using the brown eyeliner to line my lips, and I'll use light pink in the inner lips. And that will be it for this look. I hope you enjoyed my undefined stories. I didn't script this voiceover, like, I'm just having fun making this voiceover. And this is the completed look, guys. Let me know what you think about this look. Is this something you can carry? Is this something you can swag on with? Is this something you can wear? I wouldn't have applied the lashes, but I don't want my village people to come for me. Maybe you're not doing makeup for yourself, so pop those lashes on for us. That's how far I go for YouTube. That's how far I go for my subscribers. I go out of my way. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next